Hello everybody! Today we are going to be making healthy date brownies. And you might be surprised, like, oh, people try to sneak in their broccoli in their brownies or other vegetables, and those are sometimes iffy, right? But these taste so good and they are sweet with nothing but the sweetness of the date. Can you believe that? So we're going to start off with subscribing and liking this video. And then we're going to take some raw almonds and we're going to lay them flat on an oven tin. Do your best to make sure all of them are in contact. And we are going to be putting this in the oven for 15 minutes and stirring them a little bit after 7 minutes so that it's evenly roasted on all sides. Then we're going to put them into a food processor. And you're going to notice that in the beginning, it's going to be kind of crumbly. It's not going to be that thick of a paste. But as you keep going, there's a certain threshold you reach when it'll start to become like a butter. So don't quit and keep going. And make sure you hold on tight for dear life so that nothing spews out and goes crazy. My mom has learned this the hard way, unfortunately. But now look, you have made almond butter. So also this is like, I guess, 2 recipes in 1 for you. We're making a lot of butters recently. And then we're going to get 20 Medjool dates. Those are our favorite kind of dates. But feel free to use the ones that you usually get from the store. And we're going to throw in 2 eggs as well. And we're going to start blending that up. Speaking of dates, are you guys excited for Ramadan? I know I am. It has come too fast, but also too slowly. I miss it so much. And it's such a fun time of year. Now we're going to put in raw cocoa powder. And we're going to take our almond butter we just made, a cup of that, and put that in. Or any nut butter. I know that you can also try this with peanut butter if you wish to do so. And you guys can also check out our video on how to make peanut butter. And you're going to throw that in the food processor again and let it mix up. Now, here's the fun part, the chemistry part. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. These, we want them to react. That's why we are throwing that vinegar in there. We're also going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to get rid of any eggy smell or taste. And also, who doesn't love vanilla? We're also going to add a little pinch of Himalayan salt. Half cup of water. And we can get blending 1 more time. And now we're going to notice that the batter is going to become a lot thicker as we prepare to put them in the oven. My mom likes to use cupcake liners to put our brownies so that it's not a messy process and they don't stick or anything to the pan, so you don't have to deal with that cleanup. So this is just more convenient, honestly. You guys should give it a shot. If not, throw this into just a normal tin, line it with either parchment paper or butter, and once they're out, you can cut them into your nice little shapes, but we are very, very efficient in this household, so we're gonna use cupcake liners. So I guess we can call these Medjool healthy date brownie cupcakes. Yep. What constitutes a cupcake? Because I thought about this. Is it really just any baked good in a cup form, like a little? So I feel like these could be cupcakes if you really think about it. Anyways, does not matter. This is besides the point. We're going to use some oil on the back of our spoon just to flatten them down to make them look nice and even. We're going to throw it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, and you can see them start to rise and crack, and oh, it's so good. And as you can imagine, these disappeared in less than 2 minutes, and that is about it. Hope you guys enjoy making these healthy day brownies, and let us know what other healthy brownie variations you'd like us to try. Happy healthy brownieing. Bye!